Well, babe, what are you up to?
Nothing much, just going through this Valentine's card that you bought me all these years. I'm just sorting them out by, yeah.
So, let me ask you a question, old girl.
Go ahead.
How long would it take you to get over me if I left you?
What kind of a question is that? No. Let me throw it back to you. It's a question. How long will it take you if I left you?
Oh, a long time. Take a lot to get over you, old girl.
Do you really want me to answer that question?
Yep.
You want me to say the truth, but nothing but just the truth?
And the whole truth.
The
So
whole
help you
truth?
God.
You want me to say the whole truth?
Yeah.
Exactly how I feel?
Yeah.
And what I'll do?
Yeah.
If you had left me?
Yeah.
Well, the day that you leave is the day that I'm going to replace you. I don't have time to heal because I am not sick. There you go. I said it. I said what I said. Okay? Is that a good answer for you? Well, be prepared. When you ask me questions, be prepared for the answers. You ask the question, look at your answer. So bye, Felicia.
Who's Felicia?
You're probably thinking of leaving me, aren't you? Why would you talk about this? I'm just looking at these cards, our Valentine's cards, and you come and ask me. I mean, who does that? Who asks a question like that? What made you think of that anyway?
Well, I was thinking you're getting a bit old. Perhaps it's time to replace you, old girl.
Look at you and look at me.
Exactly.
Okay.
Handsome blighter, aren't I?
I don't need to say much. Bye, Felicia.
Cheers, old chaps. Off out with the lads now. That's the way to do it. I'm coming, Bob. Just hold out.
Three hours later. Look at you. Where have you been?
I've been out with the lads. Had a few drinks.
Oh, that's why you were trying to wind me up earlier, talking about if I were to leave you, how long will it take to get over me? Is that why you were saying that? What did you just say? Could I please go out with my friends? That's all you need to say.
No, I'm the man in the house. I can say what I like. I can say, look here, woman, I'm going out with my
Well, but
friends.
you couldn't say that. You had to wind me up. Why didn't you just be straight with me and say, Sylvia, I'm going out with my friends? This must be the first and the last time you talk to me like that. Don't you ever play the divorce card. I don't care whether it's a joke or not. Don't play with me. Don't play games with me like that. Because one of these days, you're gonna get what you ask for. Because I will be the one to kick you out.
Well, get me another drink, girl.
Come and get your drink yourself.
Just not cricket, old chap. You forgot you're live, my dear.